Pinay Life USA, and happy Valentine. So this is our Valentine Day today. Is just to a big walk in our property. So, honey, can I ask you a question? How is it like to be married with a Filipina like your wife? Tell the honest truth. Can you answer? You be nice. Being married to me for
We have our ups and downs.
yeah, and then Han, come on now. This is from my blood. Come on. Come on. What do you mean? What do you mean? Pretty good.
We always had good years. How many years now?
Since 2004. So come on, Han.
17 years.
17 years marriage. and yeah. So it wasn't really it's so funny. So
The wife's getting grumpier.
oh, the wife is getting grumpier. My hair. Oh my god.
Grumpier as she's getting older.
Okay, the wife is getting grumpier as I go older. That's not fair to say. I'm not the only one got grumpy. You do too. So, what do you like most about being married to a Filipina like me? Just me, okay?
Oh, just you?
What do you like most about me?
I thought it was like mother gets to live with us.
Yeah. So that's the best. So my husband said the best most is my mother got to live with us. Here in Alaska, it's the best part of being married to a Filipina. So I hope you guys would agree with that. My husband said it's 100% a factor of marrying a Filipina. So I think so.
No, different culture.
Different culture, of course, different culture. Everyone has this different background, you know. The way we grow up, the way you grow up, so like that. So what else, hon? Me being married to American. I think my husband is faithful.
How's your ESL going?
It'd be nice. ESL, English my second language. I think my husband is faithful to me. I think that's 100% guarantee. And I love that to my husband. Are you faithful, hon? What a question. Of course, this is a Valentine's Day. So for Valentine's Day, what is your what would you be your advice to a relationship? Come on, hon. You're the expert on relationship. What would be your advice?
Normal one. You never go to bed mad.
Okay. You never go to bed mad. Oh, there's the moose. So that's my husband said. Advice is never go to bed mad with each other. And yeah, I think you guys would agree with that, right? Don't go to bed mad with each other. It's so important to be at peace before going to bed. And of course, there's always challenges in marriage, and there's always be up and down. There's no bed of roses. Even the roses have thorns, as they say. Right, Han? Okay, honey, let's go walk.
I was just looking at the moose.
So what else would you be advised? What? What else, honey? Come on. Yeah, this is a nice weather, guys. Sunny weather here in Alaska. Nice walking. Our pre-Valentine day in the property. That's our walk. I'm holding gloves right now, so it's hard to take a video. But we were just going for a 10-minute walk, which is nice. So what else, Anne? What else would you advise our relationship? Well, yeah, what's the most important one in a relationship?
If you just focus.
Okay, listen. What?
So if you just focus on taking care of me, and I focus on taking care of you, and if you're not selfish and just want to always look out for your own needs, then you're always be fine, right?
Okay, so, all right, yeah.
As soon as you enter a relationship and you're thinking about what can my spouse do for me,
So that's like a golden rule, right?
that's the goal now.
It's a golden rule. Yeah, you guys know golden rule. So if you focus on taking care of me and I focus on taking care of you, everything should be fine, thinking how you feel. Or I think thinking, not thinking. I mean, always ask for clarification. Don't make any assumption. I think that's the best of it. Assumption. Don't assume. Yeah, don't assume. Always ask for clarification. If you think there's something wrong, always ask your partner. I feel like what I do is I feel like is this what you meant? I always ask that. And sometimes it's not right. What you seeing? Oh yeah, we seen the owl. We keep on talking. So it's okay. The owl is okay. At least I can do my vlogging today. So that's what we do, guys. Hey, Han. What else we gonna say? That's it. Yeah. And relationship is the best part of our existing in this world. To have a good relationship, good someone to take care of you. Sorry guys, my hand's really cold. I tried this one. So of course I'm not wearing my hat. So we have to go around our property. So yeah, thank you guys. Walking, let's go around. This is our property, just walking around. So guys, thank you so much. So for those people out there looking for a relationship, especially on different race, I think understanding someone's background, understanding where they're coming from, and of course, always ask. Don't make an assumption. Always ask questions if you need clarification. And of course, I think there you go. And always ask for clarification. I think that's it. So we are in the snow. Hold on, guys.
Stand here for a second.
It's on already. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, yeah, it's gone.
It's gone. I'll take
No,
it.
it's going. I was looking for the owl.
Let me see.
That was up there somewhere. It was right up there. It blends in too much.
She can walk.
hours now. On our way to sunlight at midnight.
Alright. So thank God for... Oh, that was a walk.
Huh? Are you breathing hard?
I am breathing hard. Happy Valentine. Oh my goodness.
There's an old sign